Hello everyone, welcome to Educative RKIS. Today we will discuss about natural disaster. By the end of this session, you will learn about floods, drought, cyclones, landslides, earthquakes, tsunamis and volcanic eruptions. Disaster. So, what is disaster? A disaster is an event that causes a lot of damage. Natural disasters in nature are big, spread over a large area, and cause loss of life and property. Flood. A flood means dry areas of land covered with a lot of water. Many parts of India get flooded during the rainy season. This causes suffering to huge number of people. Causes of flood: heavy rains, overflowing rivers, and the most common cause of flood is excessive rainfall over an area, causing rivers' waters to rise. Floods are also caused by landslides that block rivers and cause sudden overflow of large amount of waters. Effects: damage to life and property, crop damage, spread of waterborne diseases. Next is drought. A drought happens when there is little or no rain for a long time. Crops cannot grow and there is no water for the daily life of people. Causes of drought are failure of monsoon, effects dried lands, no crops, shortage of water and food. Next is cyclones. A cyclone is an extremely strong storm in which strong winds move in a circle. This is accompanied by heavy rain that sometimes leads to flooding. Causes large sea surface with a temperature higher than 27 degrees Celsius. Landslides. A landslide happens when the rocks and soils on mountains move suddenly. They start sliding down the slopes, destroying everything on their way. We can see in the picture also causes heavy rain in the mountains, loosening of soil, heavy deforestation. Earthquakes, where the surface of the earth shakes and trembles, this is an earthquake. Earthquakes can be minor or major depending on how severely the earth moves. Causes: movement of tectonic plates, volcanic eruptions, underground explosions. Effects: damage to property, life, and landslides. So, precautions during an earthquake, we should try to move out from the building and go to an open area. If you are inside a building, take shelter under a strong table or a bed. Do not stand under or near trees and electrical poles. Do not use a lift, use a staircase. Next is tsunamis. Sometimes a severe earthquake under the sea causes an extremely large and high wave in the sea. This is called tsunami. Causes: violent sea floor movement associated with earthquakes, landslides, lava entering the sea, seamount collapse or meteorite impact. Effects: flooding, damage to coastal area. Next is volcanic eruptions. A volcano is a mountain with a large opening at the top through which gases and hot molten rock are forced out into the air. When these are thrown out with a great force, it is called a volcanic eruption. Causes are tectonic movement, sea floor spreading, earthquake, tsunami, subsurface magma movement. So these were the natural disasters we discussed. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Like, share, and subscribe.